Right, hello. I'm going to show you today how to plant some celery, which is really good, nutritious, and that leafy greens that you always need when you're ill, when you're not ill, when you get energized, or just have a better humor. Honestly, this is really good for you. I bought that today in Asda, and what am I going to do? Because my wife needs celery, I will just cut the bottom bit, take the rest home, give it to my missus, and the rest I will plant just into the ground lightly. I'll show you. Just cut there, around that area. I don't have a knife with me, so that will take more time, unfortunately. I just put that off there. Dig a hole. There. That's it. That's all you need to do. You can do this with loads of vegetables. You don't have to buy seeds or everything in the shop. When you do your weekly shopping, like I did, just do that and get your own vegetables next time. So, hope you learned something new. Have fun, stay safe. Happy gardeners. Bye.